Hi, welcome back. Welcome back. I saw a video that I want to share with us. All right. And before then, please do me a favor, like this video and share it on any platform of your choice. In case if you're new, please do subscribe. All right. We are going to somewhere. I want you to make sure you pay close attention. Pay close attention to every details, every word that comes out from this Nigerian air soldier. This man you are seeing here, what he said about Ndibo politicians, especially Benjamin Kalu, the Nigerian Deputy Speaker, House of Representative Deputy Speaker, Benjamin Kalu. He called him out, and what he said will interest you. Please don't forget to like the video and share it on any platform of your choice. I don't want to say much. I just want to share what he said to you for you to hear. And the best thing to do is to like this video and share it, so that others who may have not joined us here may get to see the video.
My message to you, Benjamin Kalu.
Listen.
The National Assembly. If you see this message is for you. Benjamin Kalu, you are a rebellion and a betrayal, brother.
Okay.
You are boasting all around that you are the number 6 man in the nation.
Which is true. He do that.
And you fail to understand what Nnamdi Kanu is fighting for will help you. You are telling other governors and other officials from the East region not to support the movement of release Nnamdi Kanu.
Okay.
I want you to tell me in any way whether Nnamdi Kanu sleep with your wife. When you hate Nnamdi Kanu
very good
for your own selfish interest, for your political career. You know that when this Nnamdi Kanu is being released, there is no space and chance for you in the East. That is why you compromise. They are pushing money for you, allocation for you people to step back for Nnamdi Kanu. You say you are the number 6 man in this country. Are you not seeing Gumi? You say you are the number 6 man in this country. Are you not seeing your number 2 man is a terrorist? You say you are the number 6 man in this country. Are you blind? Are you not seeing your national security agents how they are compromising important terrorists to this nation? You say you are the number 6 man in the country. Are you deaf and dumb? When the Fulani herdsmen, the Gumi boys and the Metiala boys and Gumi, and when they buy Reverend Father for Enugu and burn churches, where were you? I am talking to you, Benjamin Kalu. Benjamin Kalu, you are a traitor. The people of the East are not looking to your direction. Me, myself, I'm looking to your direction. I fish out something. You people are making jest of Nnamdi Kanu. You are making the predicament of Nnamdi Kanu to succeed to take care of yourself and travel to other countries. A country that you people refuse to repair. When I go run river, go to another country where you not repair. Nigeria passport is now useless to other nations. Because why? We have a terrorist leader. Benjamin Kalu, you fail to do the right thing, but you boast you are the number 6 man. You are incompetent. National Assembly, you are incompetent. Benjamin Kalu, Assembly can just send this message for you. No message is coming for those who is against Nnamdi Kanu release. Nnamdi Kanu do nothing to the nation. Nnamdi Kanu was not being arrested with any possession of any ammunition or rifle, even knife.
Which is true.
They caught meat. But I see no reason because of your own political interest. You people are just against Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu is a patriotic Nigeria or patriotic Biafra who want the best for his people. Any person that purposes in the name of Biafra, that one is a pure terrorist. They are the what? Saboteur who is trying to scander what Nnamdi Kanu is building. So now, I want to ask you, Benjamin Kalu, is there any person, even though when they meet weapon for his hand, will be not alive? When they go arrest, he go stay for prison. reach 5 years when Nnamdi Kanu did so. So Nnamdi Kanu is your enemy. You stay behind. You say you are the number 6 man. You refuse to speak for your brother who wants you to be secure and the people of the East region to be secured. You say nobody should come outside for protest. Everybody, any person when they cry, when they buy, they don't buy land. Benjamin Kalu, you are a rebellion. You are a failure to the people of the East. You are a failure to the people of Biafra. Everybody is not say, are you sure say Biafra go vote? Before you know, wait till go get head. Now like this is the be.
Which is true. Which is true.
Government, Nigeria government, push Biafra, make Biafra go their own. If they don't survive,
they don't want
they
that.
Don't survive, you know, to sign on that.
They don't want that.
No, say yes, Biafra go survive. They go make am. That is why I see the whole on the can. They no say everything go do okay. When Biafra come, everything go do okay. They don't go lack anything. They get waiting, go make it. They get resources. Now the resources now they try to make sure now we tell you now the can on detention unlawfully. Meitiala is moving here and there, who is negotiating with bandits, who is importing terrorists to the nation. But to not keep on the can there. Where una the kind of measure and say there is a way how we should negotiate with terrorists that have been bad people in the nation. Where? But you say you are the number 6 person. Una gang up with the governors and other senators with our own selfish interest. Una say make them not release una the can. If let's say Beatrice say on a Beatrice sit down on top the release of Nnamdi Kanu, wait till now the way for can't all the whole governor and you that call yourself number 6 man, can't you people gang up together and strike down? If they strike down, say may they strike down anything when they come outside from east. Do you think they will not release Nnamdi Kanu? But no one do, because why? Una know what Nnamdi Kanu go fit do. If Nnamdi Kanu come outside, all una selfish interest, he go block. That's why una gang up, plan with the northern governors and others to keep Nnamdi Kanu. Now what I know now they tell una so. So my message to you, Benjamin Kalu, are you trying to tell me that you will receive Gumi, who is a terrorist, than Nnamdi Kanu, who is agitating for a betterment of Biafra, or a betterment of this nation? I say, make I just ask you. I don't look you since. I see what you do during the protest. You are against it. So, you want to receive Gumi, Shetima, Tiala, Ali Sharif. You are embracing them, congratulating them for the security well done, for their job well done. Every prophecy that Nnamdi Kanu have said for the past, now they happen now. But they take Nnamdi Kanu prophecy as a crazy man. But today the thing is happening. The insecurity, the terrorists have invaded all the whole part of the east. They have invaded all the whole part of the south side. They have invaded all the whole part in the west. They have invaded all the whole part of the middle belt. Nnamdi Kanu stated this before this time. It didn't happen. So are you trying to tell me Nnamdi Kanu is a failure? Oh, Benjamin Kanu, you are a failure and a traitor. Guru Warika, let me tell you. You the grace for what you they do. Make una just they keep Nnamdi Kanu there. Una want make him stay there. Una go get a small. Before I come outside, you go jump back. Una begin the clapper. Hey, Benjamin Kanu. Now your matter I see you. Now you supposed to work with the lawyers for Nnamdi Kanu to be released because it's an unlawful detention. Even Boko Haram, when they meet the law weapon for hand, they still put them for prison. Within 2 years, they don't release them. But Nnamdi Kanu, then they keep on there because they know what he can produce after he was being released. I say, make I just send this message to you. Benjamin Kalu, you are a traitor. They are a rebellion to the people of Biafra. You are a betrayer. Your selfish interest will wound you one day. I say, make I tell you, say, nemesis is go catch up with you. By the time people, when they're there for your back, they make you the speak, say you been over 6 months, they don't finish, then you will know what you do yourself. Nonsense, man. Wicked and betrayer brother who betray Una the Kanu. Rubbish.
All right, so that is the message from this this ex-soldier, a very vibrant and strong man. What he said here is true, but not only Benjamin Kanto. Many Eastern governors, Eastern politicians, Igbo politicians are just like Benjamin Kanu. Do you understand? But why he chose to mention Benjamin Kanu, why he chose to single him out, is because of Benjamin Kanu's utterances. Remember when Shawara and some people decided to protest in Abuja? Benjamin Kanu was busy discouraging people not to do that. That is why he chose to call him out like this. All right. Maybe you yourself that you watch, maybe you have a different opinion and what to think about it. Hit the comment section and tell us what you think. What's your take? Do you agree or disagree? Please like the video and let me know what you think about it. God bless you and see you again. Take care of yourself. Bye bye for now.